Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all really well. Today I am going back to my roots and I'm going to be sharing with you a speed cleaning video. You'll have to excuse my somewhat groggy voice. We've had a bit of a coldy week in this house. All of us have been down with it, so excuse me if I sound a bit flat. So this particular clean is one that I do daily. It is a kind of quick tidy up after the school run, more than a deep clean. As you can see, there is stuff everywhere. We are one of these families that are just never organised in the morning. We are dashing around, having breakfast, getting kids dressed, etc., and running out the door. And you can guarantee that I am always going, get your shoes on, grab your bags. So yeah, I always come home to having to tidy up everyone's things. I generally tend to use the dishwasher to do our washing up. I'm not really a hands-on sink kind of person, but I know some people love standing by the sink and looking out the window and washing up. Let me know in the comments below which one you are. I do find though, as much as I love my dishwasher, there are always a few things that need to be either soaked in the sink or washed in the sink. In particular, Freya's little plastic things that she'll drink out of and her bibs, etc. And then any saucepans and pots that we've used from dinner. I think on this particular day we'd had a roast the night before, so there was lots of larger dishes to wash up. I do tend to find that I start my daily clean in the kitchen, mainly because it is the messiest room. So I like to go in there, have a quick tidy, and I just find it really rewarding to have such a clean kitchen, and it gets me motivated to do the rest. So I've done the washing up, put that in the dishwasher, and then I'll clean the work surfaces and wipe them down with my Flash spray wipe done. If you haven't tried this product already, you need to. It is such a great all-rounder. It's perfect for everything. I use it on my floors, I use it on my work surfaces. I love it. And they've actually just brought out a bathroom range. More of that over on my Instagram. If you don't follow me already over there, pop over and there'll be lots of exciting updates on that product in the next few weeks. So now that all the kitchen work surfaces are wiped down, we are going to move on to what is my least favourite household chore, which is the washing. Now, I don't know about anybody else, but I just find the washing is relentless. Oh my goodness. I find that I will do the washing and it'll get dry and I'll fold it all up and start putting it away, and I'll look over and my wash basket is full again. Like, how is that even possible? Does anybody else find this, or is it just my family that have a lot of washing? I am, however, looking forward to the warmer months when I can get the washing outside on the dryer, as I just love it when it's outside and out of the kitchen. Moving on to the floors, it's time to give them a quick vacuum. I am using the Shark No Hair Wrap, I think it's called. I absolutely love this Hoover. We've had it for a few years now and I still find it is just brilliant. If anyone is on the market for a new vacuum, I will link it down below with my highest recommendation. And the last job is to use my Vileda 1-2 spray mop, which I use this quite regularly in the kitchen on the floors. It's perfect. You can use just water and it removes 99.9% of bacteria, which is ideal for if you've got pets and children and stuff like that, like we do. And here we have one very tidy kitchen. So my next job is going to be moving into the living room. My oh my, look at the mess in here. It's mainly just scatter cushions and toys and stuff, so this will take me no time at all. I've actually just realised that since filming this video we've had a few changes take place in the living room. So we now have some new shutters up the window and an additional sideboard in the other corner to the one that you're seeing. If you would like to see those changes, you can again head over to my Instagram or even my TikTok where I have those featured. I'll link them all in the description below. Like I said, it really takes no time at all to get this room straight. It really is a case of I have too many scatter cushions, but I love them and I love plumping them. There's nothing better than beating up the cushion, giving it a really good whack and getting them all nice and poofy, ready for a fresh new day. Another new addition in our living room is that beautiful artwork. I am just obsessed over it. Isn't it gorgeous? One of the last things to do before hoovering the floor is picking up all of Freya's bits and pieces. When I was designing this room, I was quite keen on making sure we had lots of storage. So we have 2 of these big sideboards and then that lovely wicker basket underneath the window where all her toys are stored. And here it is again, my beloved Shark vacuum. I just love it so much. It has a setting which goes from hard floors to carpets, and it just brings up our carpets and makes them look lovely and new. And there we have it. Nice clean living room. So that brings us to the end of this super speedy daily clean video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, make sure you give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye!